Hi, today I will be showing you how to make Ghibli style image with ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, please do leave a like and subscribe. So, making or creating a Ghibli style image on ChatGPT is very simple. All you have to do is to sign in to your account here in ChatGPT. And then let's just say if you're looking for an image or picture for free, where you can download and use for your Ghibli Studio project, what you're going to do is just go to Google web browser and then you can go to Pixels. Here you can search for whatever picture you want. For example, women cooking, or let's just say nature, something like that. Everything is up to you. Now, once you found the picture, just tap on download and then scroll down again, browse for more pictures. And again, if you found another picture, just tap on download. Now, I'm going to use this picture right here. Now go back to ChatGPT, and then all you have to do is to follow this prompt I'm going to type right now. So, for example, you want an AI or let's just say Ghibli Studio type image. Follow this, turn this image into Studio Ghibli type image, upload or attach the picture. You can upload from your computer right here. So, upload from computer. And then let's just say this is the picture that I want to turn into Ghibli type image. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. And then after that, you will see the result right away. And here it is. So basically, that's how to make Ghibli style image with ChatGPT. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.